Distance point to a line. So the distance from a point xy to a line has a, has a general form of ax plus by plus c is equals to 0. So the formula that we will use to find the point to a line is this: d is equals to ax plus by plus c over the square root of a squared plus b squared. So how, for example, find the distance from point 4, 2 to the line 4x minus 3y plus 10. So this is the A, this is the A, and this is the value of B, and this is the C. So substitute the given values to the formula. So we will have the 4 times, substitute the A, 4, then substitute the value of x, which is this, then substitute the value of b, which is the negative 3, then substitute the value of y, which is 2, then substitute the value of c, which is the 10. Then same as in the denominator. Substitute the value of a, which is the 4, and the value of b, which is negative 3. Then simplify. 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Then negative 3 times 2 is equals to negative 6 multiplied by positive, so negative. Then plus 10. So 16 minus 6 is equals to 10, plus 10 is equals to 20. Then in the denominator, 4 squared is equals to 16 plus negative 3 squared is equals to 9. So we will have 16 plus 9 is equals to 25. 20 over negative 25, or 4, or the square root of 25 is 5, so 20 divided by 5 is equals to 4 units. So the graph will be look like this. Next is the distance between parallel lines. So the relation of slopes of parallel lines is m sub 1 is equals to m sub 2 if the two parallel lines are. So if you can say that it is a parallel lines if the slope of the two lines is equal. And also you can say that it is a parallel it is a parallel lines if the A and B is equal or have the same value, So for example is this: ax plus by plus c sub 1 is equals to 0, and ax plus by plus c sub 2 is equals to 0. So in order to find the distance between the parallel lines is we will use the formula: distance is equal to c sub 1 over the square root of a squared plus b squared minus c squared over the square root of a squared plus b squared, or thus absolute value of c sub 1 is minus c sub 2 over over square root of a squared plus b squared. So for example, find the distance between the lines 3x minus 4y plus 12 is equal to 0 and 3x minus 4y plus 6 equals to 0. So substitute the given values. substitute the 12, which is the value of the first constant number, on the first equation. Then substitute the second constant number, the second constant, which is negative 6, which is positive 6, so 12 minus 6, so we will have the 12 minus 6 over, substitute the value of 3 and the value of a and b, since it has the same value of a and b, so isaw na nato siya. So may mo na siyang the a is equals to 3 squared plus negative 4 squared. So 12 minus 6 is equals to 6 over the 3 squared is equals to 9 plus 16. So we'll have 6 over square root of 25. So 6 over square root of 25 is equals to 6 over 5 units. So the distance between the lines 3x minus 4y plus 12 and 3x minus 4y plus 6 is 6 over 5 units. Next, the angles between lines. So the formula in solving for the angle between the two lines having a slope of m sub 1 and m sub 2, where the formula in order to find the angle is tangent theta is equals to m sub 1 minus m sub 2 over 1 plus m sub 1 m sub 2. Then, for example, find the angle between the lines 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equals to 0 and x plus 3y plus 4 is equals to 0. So we'll first do is to find the slope of both lines. So find the slope of 3x plus 4y plus 3 is equals to 0. To find the slope, transpose the other values to the other side. So we'll have negative 3x minus 3, divide both side by 4. So we will have negative 3x plus 4 minus 3. So our slope is negative 3 over 4. Negative 3 over 4. To the second equation, the slope is negative 1 over 3. Same as atong gibuhat sa first line. And since the formula is the tangent theta is equals to m sub 1 minus m sub 2 over 1 plus m sub 1 times m sub 2, we will substitute the given the value of slope. So the second slope is negative 1/3. Then the first so negative 3/4 minus 1/3 So, we substitute the given values. So, may na siya inani. Then, 1 plus the value of M1, which is the 1/3. Then, the value of M2, which is 3/4. Negative 3/4. Then, simplify. So, negative 3/4 minus 1 minus negative 3/4 is equals to negative 5/12. 5/12 over 1 plus 1 plus plus the product of negative 1/3 and negative 3/4. So we'll have 1/4. Then add 1/4 plus 1. So we will have negative 5/12 over 5/4. Then reciprocal negative the 5/4. Then reciprocal the 5/4. So we'll have cancelled. Then divide negative 1 over 1 negative 1 over 3. Then to find the angle, get your calculator and shift tan, then put the value, the result. So shift tan minus 1/3 is equals to, and so it is absolute value. So may mas siyang 1/3 is equals to 18.43 degrees. Shift is equals to 18.43 degrees.